Good morning friend. Today we want to start third chapter, that is understanding of quadrilateral. So before we start understanding of quadrilateral, we have to go through the basic concept related quadrilateral. So in chapter already you have know something related with the quadrilateral, but we have to go through the introduction. So we go for introduction. So before we start, we have to understand what is the meaning of curve. What is the meaning of curve? A plane curve is a curve that lies in a single plane or a plane surface like paper. Plane curve may be closed or open. So again, what is the meaning of plane curve? It is a curve that lies in a single plane. So here we can see, you will see that different types of curves are there. Different type of curves are there. So a plane curve is a curve that lies in a single plane or a plane surface like paper. Plane curve may be closed or open. It should be, you will see that here it is open. So it is a plane curve. It is a plane curve, but it is a open. It is also a plane curve, but it is a open. While this, it is a closed curve. It is closed curve. So different figures are there. Simple curve. These are all called simple curve. It is a curve, closed curve with simple. Here it is complex. So different figure in your text is also there. Now after curve we go to the polygon. So first of all we have to understand what is a plane, what is a plane curve. First of all curve, then plane curves. There are two type of plane curves, that is open and closed. If it is line end, if you will see, it is a closed. Again here it is a closed, but here it is open, line not touch each other. So it is a open curve. These are all the closed curve. Now what is the meaning of polygon? So in your text, here in first page there is a different figure with polygon. Polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by three or more straight sides that meet in a pair in the same number of vertex and do not intersect each other at these vertex. Again, what is the meaning of polygon? Simple, another definition is that simple closed curve, simple closed curve made by only line segment, made by only line segment is called polygon, or we can say bounded by straight side, So number of vertex. So if I will draw one quadrilateral here, it is also a polygon. If I will draw like that, it is also a polygon. One of the figure is also here. So these are all the definition related with the polygon. Polygon is a closed plane figure made by straight line or simple closed curve made by only line segment, or we can say straight sides. So these are all the straight side. We can draw. It is also a straight side. It is also a straight side. Now regular polygon. When a polygon is both equilateral or equiangular. Equilateral related with the side. Lateral means side. And angular means angle. When a polygon is both equilateral or equiangular, it is referred to be a regular polygon. Regular polygon किसे कहेंगे? If, what is the meaning of regular polygon? Regular polygon, that is equilateral means side. So equal side. we can say equal side and equal angle. So triangle with three sides are equal. So we can say 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. Sides are also equal. These sides and these sides. So it is a regular polygon. Now quadrilateral with four sides. So 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Here divided by, for pentagon means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So polygon means we know it is a simple closed curve. In regular polygon means equilateral and equiangular. For a polygon to be a regular, it must be a convex. There are two types of polygon, that is convex and concave. Two types of polygon, that is concave and convex, that we have to see in next slide. So first of all, related with the side, when three sides triangle, we can say, when three side is there, we can say triangle. Four side is there, we can say quadrilateral. Five side we can say pentagon. Six sides we can say hexagon. Seven side we can say heptagon. Eight side we can say octagon. Nine side we can say nonagon. And 10 side we can say decagon. So in your text it is, figure is same. And if n figure is there, then enagons. So it is related with the regular polygon. This is helpful for construction, and in even though 9th and 10th you can understand related with the polygon and quadrilateral. So again, regular polygon means equilateral and equiangular. Mostly it is convex with three sides triangle, four side quadrilateral, five side pentagon, six side hexagon, seven side heptagon. Now parts of polygon. So important parts of polygon that we can discuss also. So now we have to discuss related with the part of polygon. So end points of the sides of polygon are called vertex. So here if you will see that A parts of polygon. Endpoints of the sides of polygon are called vertex. So here it is vertex, here it is vertex, here it is vertex, here it is vertex. Endpoints of the sides of polygon are called vertex. When naming a polygon, its vertex are named in consecutive order, or clockwise or counterclockwise. So either I have to name, so if I will write A, B, C, D. So it is with the anti-clockwise. It is with the clockwise. So two different way we can explain. So consecutive side, what is the meaning of consecutive side? AB. So near it BC. So two sides that have a endpoint is common, then we can say consecutive side whose endpoint is common. So AB and BC, so B is a common endpoint, so we can say consecutive side. So four sides of polygon in a figure below could have been named ABCD, BCDA or ADCB. So different way if you will name that, then ABCD. So from ABCD, then BCDA, then CDAB, C, then DABC. So four different way we can represent it. Now ABCD. ABCD, again four different way we can represent it. So it does not matter which letter you begin as long as the vertices are named consecutively. Side AB and BC are example of consecutive side. Now next, parts of polygon. A diagonal of a polygon is any segment that join the two non-consecutive vertex. So if I want to join this non-consecutive vertex, so A, B, C and D. So AC is called non-consecutive vertex. So we can say diagonal. BD, we can say diagonal. Diagonal of a polygon is any segment that join two non-consecutive vertex. So the figure 5 sides polygon. So one formula is here, that is n square minus 3n by 2. N square minus 3n by 2. So formula is n square minus 3n by 2 to find out how much diagonal. How many diagonals? If I want to find how many diagonals. If I want to find out how many diagonals. So if you will see here, this is the formula to find out the diagonal. N square minus 3n by 2. So what is the meaning of n? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 sides. So 5 side means what? N square, that is 5 square minus 3 into 5 divided by 2. So 5 square means 25 minus 15 divided by 2. That is 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So it should be 5 diagonal. Now you will see that is 1. Again that is second. Here that is third. Here that is 4. And here it is 5th. So 5 diagonal we can. Now someone asks how many diagonal in triangle. So obviously we have seen that is any possible diagonal in triangle. So 3 sides are there. 1, 2, 3. So 3 square minus 3 into 3 divided by 9. So 9 minus 9 divided by 0. So 0 divided by, so no diagonal. So no diagonal. Clear? So no diagonal. So this is the important formula. Anyhow you have to remember. Now in next, so in your text there is one exercise in which you have to find out that how many diagonals you have. So on that time you can apply this formula. So now in our text different figures are there, that in should be rectangle, quadrilateral and triangle. But in triangle it is not possible that we can draw the diagonal. Someone asked you, okay, it is possible to draw triangle in it, then it is not possible. Now classification of polygon. So triangle with 3 sides, it is also a triangle with 3 sides is a one of polygonal. 4 side quadrilateral polygonal. 5 side pentagon. 6 side hexagon. 7 side heptagon. 8 side octagon. 9 side nonagon and 10 side decagon. Now convex polygon and concave polygon. So this is the important for us, convex polygon and concave polygon. A polygon is concave if there are 2 points somewhere inside it, for which a segment with this as its endpoint cut at least two of the sides of polygon. Or simply, if I explain, simple, concave and convex. Convex, a polygon that is not concave is called convex. So concave polygon definition related, if I will discuss, if I will make a cut like that, then we can say it is a concave. Now convex, that is called convex. Mostly we are using convex quadrilateral in geometry. In geometry we are using convex quadrilateral. Here it is concave. Convex and concave. If you will see, so here it is a cut, intersects. So in here, if you will see, so it is a convex, it is concave. Another definition is that diagonal cannot intersect it. If you will see diagonal, I will draw one diagonal here. It cannot intersect other. So it is concave. Mostly we are using convex. Convex quadrilateral we are using. Convex quadrilateral we are using. So now more related figure, if you will see now, figure of convex and concave. So in convex always I am explaining straight line is there. Here if you will see that, so if I will draw the diagonal, so here diagonal intersect each other. Here diagonal not intersect. One of the diagonal, another diagonal, they are not intersect. So always remember, diagonal intersect each other, we can say convex. Diagonal intersect each other, we can say convex, and diagonal not intersect, we can say concave. So regular polygon convex, see again, convex polygon that in both equilateral and is called regular polygon. This is a regular polygon. A basic geometrical figure, this is, we can say line, it is triangle, it is quadrilateral. What is the meaning of line? Bounded by two endpoints. All points are collinear, that is lie on the same straight line. Triangle, plane figure bounded by three sides, at least three non-collinear points. 1, 2 and 3. Quadrilateral. Quadra means 4, lateral means side. Formed by joining 4 points. Any 3 out of these 4 points are non-collinear. If you will see, these 3 points are non-collinear. 1, here A, B and C. These are the non-collinear points. Then it is possible. Quadri means 4. Quadri means 4. Lateral means side. So 4 sides are there. We can say quadrilateral. Formed by joining 4 points. Any 3 out of these 4 points are non-collinear. Triangle. Plane figure bounded by 3 sides. At least 3 non-collinear points. So these are all the different figures. Polygon with 4 sides. Quadrilateral is any shape with 4 sides. The word quadrilateral comes from the two Latin words quadri, which means variant of 4, and lateral, which means side. So 4 side, 4 angle, 4 vertex, and 1 pair of diagonal. 1 pair of diagonal. So A, B, C, D. So we can say BD and AC. So AC and BD are diagonal. Quadrilateral. Any closed figure having 4 sides formed by joining 4 points and 3 of which already we have discussed it. So if you will see here ABCD, PQRS, we can name it ABCD. Here we can say PQRS. It is anti-clockwise. It is clockwise. Sorry, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, now 4 points are there. Is there, we can say, quadrilateral? No, this side cross each other. So we can see again here it is. No, it is not quadrilateral. Then yes, it is a quadrilateral. Yes, it is a closed figure. First of all, it is a closed figure formed by the union of 4 line segment. Union of 4 line segment. So AB, union BC, union CD, union DA. These are all the 4 line segment. Some important fact about understanding of quadrilateral: parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square and kite. Some quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides are parallelogram means what? So opposite sides are a quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides are parallel. Rhombus, parallelogram with sides equal length. If I will draw one figure, all 4 sides are equal, we can say it is a parallelogram. Parallelogram with right angle, if it is a 90 degree, we can say rectangle. Rectangle will be square if all 4 sides are equal. How we can name the quadrilateral? It is called notation. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral, vertex ABCD, 4 side AB, BC, CD, DA, 4 angles DAB, ABC, BCD and CDA. So 4 angle, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. 2 diagonals. Naming of quadrilateral, we cannot read like that. It is wrong. Either clockwise or anti-clockwise. A, B, C, D or A, D, C, D. Naming. If you join adjacent letter in the name, then there should not be any crossing of line segment. Adjacent means near it. Always remember the name that you have to give the adjacent. Adjacent and consecutive side. What is the meaning of adjacent side? Means near side, it is called adjacent. Adjacent or consecutive side. 2 sides of quadrilateral have common endpoint. We can say adjacent side or consecutive. So AB, there are 4 pair we can say. AB with BC. It is a 1 pair of adjacent. Again BC with CD, that is a 2nd pair of adjacent. CD with DA, again 3rd, and DA with AB, that is 4 pair of adjacent or consecutive side. Opposite side, these are all opposite. So AB opposite to CD. So 2 sides do not have common endpoint, we can say opposite. Angle, adjacent angle. So nearby angle we can say adjacent. So angle A with angle B. 2 angles have a side common to them. This is a common. So angle DAB and ABC with AB being the common side. Opposite angle. 2 angles do not have a common side. Common side nahi hai, so we can say. So angle A with angle C. These are all the opposite. Angle B with angle D. We can say opposite. Diagonals. So you will know that opposites. Diagonal AC divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangle. So here it is a one diagonal, then it is a another triangle diagonal, and sum of angle, that is 360, because if you will see that there are two triangle, that is triangle 1, triangle 2. So if two triangles are there, or we can say triangle ABC, so that is 180 degree, triangle ADC, again 180 degree, so we can say 360 degree. So sum of quadrilateral is 360 degree. I think you have to write all the important point when you have seen these properties. Now type of quadrilateral: convex quadrilateral and concave quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral and concave. Convex quadrilateral, the quadrilateral in which every internal angle of quadrilateral is lesser than 180. Concave quadrilateral is a concave if internal angle of quadrilateral is greater than 180. Or again I am writing it here, diagonal intersect each other. So diagonal intersect each other. So we can say convex. Diagonal not intersect each other. So we can say concave. But another definition is greater than 180, here less than 180. What? Every internal angle is less than 180. Here it is more than 180. So now special type of quadrilateral that we go for next lecture, but in next lecture we have to see the exercise. First of all, we have to see the exercise 3.1 and exercise 3.2. First of all, we have to complete this, because already we have complete related exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Afterward, we can go through the special kind of quadrilateral. So today it is sufficient lecture. Now in next lecture, we go through the exercise.